G'day guys, we're here at EVA today to install a Sherpa 25,000 pound Stallion winch into a Dodge Ram truck. So let's get into it. Okay, so that was pretty easy. We disconnected the electrics, we undid about 6 bolts and we lifted the bar off. So next we're going to mount the hawse. We're going to do this before we mount the winch, just because the real estate's a bit tight, and in this case we're actually going to put the bolts pointing out and mount the hawse on the outside like this. Next we're going to lift the winch into the cradle, bolt it in, and look at how we're going to get the control box to mount. Alright, so the winch is in, it's a nice snug fit. Next we're going to bolt it in. We're going to use a bit of thread locker on the threads to make sure nothing comes loose on those corrugated roads. Alright, so the Sherpa winches are great. They come with a range of mounting bracket options for your control box, from on top of the winch like this, angle brackets, remote mount brackets, so you can mount the control box down inside the bar or up on top of the bar. In this case, the customer's asked us to put it up on top, so we're probably just going to mount the control box straight on top in a spot that fits. Yeah, so we're just holding the bar here now while the electrical wires get connected to the motor of the winch. We're then going to run the wires back to the main primary battery and terminate them. We should be getting pretty close to being done. Alright, so we've just run our power cables back to the battery. Everything's done up nice and tight. Lots of zip ties, secured all the cables out of the way, and we're ready to go to the next stage. All right, now for the moment of truth. Let's plug it in and check it out. Looks good. So we're all done. We've got the Sherpa 25,000 pound Stallion winch installed on the Dodge Ram truck, and this customer's ready to hit the trails. So if you need any more information, jump online or get on the phone and give us a call.